You need English for becoming a doctor.
Yes, that's why I'm here.
Welcome to
Yes,
HelloTalk.
thank you.
What is your dream in life?
To become a successful doctor.
To become a successful doctor.
Yes.
What does it mean to be a successful doctor?
Helping people.
What else next to helping others do you think means successful?
Almost all the successful doctors, they try to
Keep going. I'm listening.
I don't know how I explain it.
Try your best. I'm helping you. That's why we're
Okay.
here. We're practicing our English. No problem. Try your best.
Yes.
I asked you because it is a difficult question and it requires you to express yourself in a different way. I will
Yes.
give you an example.
Go ahead.
I think a successful doctor is someone who treats patients for their health and not for
For
their
money.
money.
Yes, it's correct. The real doctors, they are not do their job for money. If they want money, I think, in my opinion, they can do or they can choose another job, because to become a doctor, they need so many times. It's need years. I must study at least 12 years to be a doctor. If I want money, I choose another job, like I went to the IT or the business or something else.
Yes, I think becoming a doctor takes a large portion of your life away and it takes a lot of dedication.